Meanwhile, Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett says he does not believe the country's tourism product is affected by the high level of crime and violence in St. James. Mr. Bartlett made the disclosure at a press briefing at his office in St. Andrew on Tuesday. TVJ Shamela Mitchell reports.
Since the start of the year, over 300 murders have been recorded in St. James. As a result, the Police High Command has been having meetings and to devise strategies to stem the bloodshedding, including putting additional police personnel on the streets of the parish. Government Senator Charles Sinclair recently called for a state of emergency to help cauterize the situation. However, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett insists the crime is not impacting Montego-based tourism product.
Well, you know, Jamaica is a wonderful place for visitors. The level of hospitality that exists here is unmatched, and our people, it's something of a contradiction, if you will, because whilst there are domestic issues, it doesn't play out in the international field where our visitors are concerned. So our visitors are very safe and they feel safe.
Mr. Bartlett says that is not to say the tourism industry is not mindful of the crime situation. He says the sector has been doing its part to work with the Security Ministry to put measures in place to tackle the problem.
And one of the things that we have done is we have worked with this National Security Ministry to beef up the district constables. In fact, we have designated some to be focusing on the resort areas as well. We have collaborated with them in terms of equipment and in terms of infrastructure support.
As to whether or not a state of emergency should be declared in St. James, Mr. Bartlett says that is not his call. He says he will leave that to the security forces and the government to decide.
The high level of crime is not okay. We could do much, much more. We're doing well, but we could do much more. And so we want to arrest it and we want to get rid of it, because what it does is to damage our people. And our people are the essence of tourism. And if we are killing off our own people, we are killing off tourism.
Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.